I'm headed to the Hot River North neighborhood, to a location just west of the Magnificent Mile, to tour one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished short-term apartments at a new boutique luxury tower, 8 East Huron. 8 East Huron is a short walk from Magmile Shops and Oak Street Boutiques, Northwestern and Lurie Children's Hospitals, a variety of upscale and casual restaurants, bars, and nightlife, a CTA Red Line stop, and Oak Street Beach. Whole Foods is just across the street. 8 East Huron has a south-facing pool deck with skyline views, a terrace with grilling areas, a large party room lounge with a demonstration kitchen, a media room with a conference table, and a fitness center that includes a yoga studio and a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. I've just walked into an 04 tier one-bedroom convertible on the 7th floor. It's plank flooring that extends throughout the home. Stylish bath that's oversized is off to your left as you enter the unit. It's a body spray attachment and the tub shower combination. A nice size vanity, designer lighting. And as you proceed further into the unit, you have a galley style kitchen, a 5-burner range hood, French door refrigerator. It's glass tile backsplash, quartz counters, 42-inch upper cabinets. There's an under cabinet microwave, breakfast bar lip, and since we're in a Sweet Home Chicago unit, we have all the countertop appliances, dishware, cookware, and silverware that you need to feel right at home. Floor-to-ceiling windows have roller blinds, look out to the west. Bedroom also has floor-to-ceiling windows. Has a second flat panel TV, a chest of drawers, home office setup. All the Sweet Home Chicago extras, and a walk-in closet with additional linens. It's an efficient, appealing apartment. And since it's Sweet Home Chicago, it's a sweet deal. And it comes with a stackable, full-size in-unit washer-dryer.